G'day guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the vlog, and welcome back to another episode of Mr. Super Leggero. You remember Josh's Subi, obviously it was in the last vlog, Josh. I've been wanting to do my wheels, and Josh, well, he had a real big issue with his, but it's actually turned up really well. He had scratches all around, and now it's literally like nearly perfect again.
Yeah.
This cost us, how much was it? 40 bucks, with, including like everything?
Well, I already had the paint, it came with the car, and then we got the repair kit for what, like 16 bucks?
Yeah, it was 16 bucks. So it's, what were you quoted for the wheel?
350.
So instead of 350 bucks, it's cost us about, well, if you just take into account the kit, $16, but if you take into account everything, probably about $40 all up. From a distance, you can hardly tell that that's damaged. This is sort of like how it was. You can
30 times worse.
Yeah, all the paint was scratched off of it.
I'll just send you a photo.
Yeah.
You just drop it here.
That's nasty.
Alright, so what we're doing now is basically
The big reveal.
we're gonna take the paint, and not the paint. We're taking the tape off and the clothy thingy thing. So the thingy thing's coming off the thingy thing, so we can do the thing. Does that make sense?
Things.
We're doing things to do things so that things happen.
Things look good.
And things look amazing. Because we're amazing.
Let's go.
Get rid of this baddie.
I forgot there was white tape on there. Oh, your wheel looks shredded.
You shredded gnarly, dude.
They
Take us mad barrels.
8-foot Hawaiian waves.
8-foot Hawaiian, dude.
It just mimics the waves.
Yeah, man, I could be like riding that barrel, like, man.
Joking me is off the charts right now. It's gonna be like 8-foot Hawaiian. Ah, I'm psyching, dude.
That is really satisfying.
That is really crisp.
Do it again, because I reckon that's okay. It's even got the branding on it. Satisfying 100. And there we go, after some tire shine. That's gonna look amazing. Ah!
That looks brand new.
That literally does. Like you couldn't even tell the difference. Like these actually look, like these wheels actually look worse than that, and that one's copped obviously more of the beating because it took a whole gutter. But what the hell? That was 3
Buckets.
Someone say KFC?
I don't care.
Oh, and I thought the toga party was earlier in the year, back when COVID wasn't a
I
thing.
must have missed the message, darling.
Oh, you look stunning.
You're breathtaking. You're all breathtaking.
So we just went to Supertip because I just got my car back from the mechanic recently and it had tire shine on it. So we went to get just some degreaser, and in the process we figured we'd get some tire shine because it was on sale. We had an idea when we came back. Josh's headlights were really clouded, and now we just put some tire shine on them and they're super clear.
This is like, works on all plastics and, you know, ceramics and like black and clear and everything. So I like, give it a go. Give it a go. Ultra wet look 2.0.
So it was $4.50. The degreaser was $3. This was $4.50 for 2.
That was eight for 2.
$9 in total. Like, they look so clean. Like, you can hardly tell that they're old.
And then we thought, you know, why not just see what happens if we use it on paint?
First thought black plastic on the door handles, so we originally just sprayed the door handles. And they look clean already. But then some of it got on the paint, and because my paint is sort of faded like this, it's not great. But then we saw it, and like this door used to look like this roof. Like, this is shiny, this isn't, but this was literally just
match. Like, these literally match.
Yeah, you can hardly tell the difference between this is naturally shiny and this was faded. And now it's clear. So we just left a bit off just so we can give you guys an example. Like, once again, just take into account how faded that is, right? It literally just takes a couple of sprays just to bring it back. So you spray it on, just lather it on. Nothing too fancy, just a couple of layers backwards and forwards, and then you can see it's completely wet.
Once
you just wait for it to dry.
You can just use like carpet, but
Just 2 minutes later.
and you meant to just tell it's a good boy.
I think the streaks are a better option, to be honest, rather than the padding, because now it's...
Hey, send streaks in the description.
I know a lot of you are probably going like, it's tire shine, why are you using it on your car, like it's flammable or something like that. Feel free to leave your hate in the comments below, and potentially any side effects just down below, but also smash the subscribe button while you're down there. Just smash the subscribe button, guys. We smash it.
Hulk. Smash.
I'm just gonna go for a drive to see if it'll dry.
Watch Jack as he lowers his windscreen wipers. Damn.
2 hours later.
That's kind of embarrassing. I'm just gonna like do a lap, try and get the paint to dry. Well, not the paint, the tire shine to dry a bit.
Nice.
It's sort of like, it's really cloudy.
Whoa, hello, buddy. Holy shit.
Just crashing the shot casually. It's really clouded, like I can't see out my mirror very well, but meh, it is what it is.
It is what it is.
Let's go.
Alright. Not bad, not bad. That's hot. How was it?
It's, yeah, it still drives, I guess. I don't know, it's not actually as slippery as I first thought, but we'll see. I mean, I don't know, how long does tire shine usually take to dry?
Honestly, don't know.
Well, it looks wet. I'm hoping it doesn't stay wet.
That's what she said.
I'm not doing anything. What are you doing? I'm just here cleaning windows and stuff. Gotta get rid of that window shine.
You do.
Gotta get rid of that window shine off the windows, because otherwise you can't see. I'm just here making your visibility a possibility.
Yeah, I only sprayed one headlight. Just show them the difference.
You're welcome.
Look, I only sprayed the left one. Like, look at the difference.
Cloudy with a chance of meatballs, isn't that right?
The real reason we were going to Super Cheap was because my tyres actually have the tyre shine on them that my mechanics put on. And we're painting them, as you can see. We've done the same thing we've done to Josh's. We've just filled it in, sort of half sanded it. And then we're just going to like give it a quick light white coat. We're gonna cover the center caps because they don't really need doing, but Vogue.
I was gonna say, we're gonna play some Sudoku and crosswords, or like, what's the go there, bro? Got the Sudoku and crosswords. Just need to smash Davo and coffee, and you know, bit of yoga on the beach in the morning, you know.
Been waking up every morning, having a smash Davo, coffee, going down to the beach, do some yoga, and I like to go up to my apartment and play some Sudoku and crosswords.
It hasn't been like that at all, has it?
Not really, no.
Bring your wheels, we'll fix them for you. You just gotta bring the paint color as well. Like bring the paint, we'll supply everything else and we'll fix them. 20, 30 bucks a wheel?
30 bucks a wheel, piss off, like 150 bucks a wheel. You gotta make profits, my boy, profits. Profits.
Okay. Alright, let's go paint this.
Mate, paint the sheep, you mean, mate?
Paint the sheep. It's white like it. It's white and black like a sheep.
You know who you are. We've got sheep. Come get us.
That's a Subi thing, right?
Yeah. You gonna paint it, or are you just gonna sit on it and roll on it?
It's comfy. Like,
Wow.
Nothing like a good ride.
look,
Hey?
I would try standing on top of it and rolling down the driveway, but we should make like rim covers that sort of like slide into the gaps between the rim and the tire. And, like it's just
Points in a Kia.
By the way, this is Josh's editing, so comment down below what you think of the editing and give it a thumbs up if you like his editing. That didn't sound healthy.
What are you doing, Mr. Drifter?
Well, I mean, I just wanted to check out the lights. And, car's clean, you got red footwell lighting. You know, with that massive exhaust tip, you do things like this. We just hit space.
Like, yeah, that's the one, buddy.
That was a good send. This is how we're gonna hit the drive. Like, just we're not even gonna face forwards. We're just gonna like face this side pillar and just. I can do this with my eyes closed.
Look at that gorgeousness.
And just like that, we're back here, day 2.
Hello.
We're ordering lunch. I usually get a 3-piece meal with a Coke, and that's a phone. Also with the tyre shine, done Josh's engine base. Now it's all shiny.
So I think people will be like, "Oh, you shouldn't use this in."
Yeah, I know. What's the comment section just blow up?
Like this car's about to probably at some point.
But like the whole car actually looks pretty clean. You saw how much we used on my car. I ended up washing some of it off. And still, it's somewhat of a nice result. So, wheels.
We gotta move them in, don't we?
We do. Why is it such an effort?
Put it on a car or something.
What do you mean?
I mean, you know, just put them on a car, wouldn't that be easier?
Like put them actually on the car?
Yeah. Well, can you like bring your car up so we can like move them down there?
So Josh had a tow hook spot in his car and he's missing the cap for it, so we figured we'd paint the tow hook same colour as his wheels.
Got a nice little bit of glimmer in there, you know.
And we think he's found another hobby.
Spray painting, as per the crop circles on the carpet.
Nice.
The grass.
My wheels made a bit of a mess on the neighbour's lawn, but as you can see, no one actually lives here. So, improvised hanging device, a coat hanger. Let's go put it on the car and see how it goes. So, what JDM car doesn't have a hook that matches the wheels? That looks so sick. This is gonna look good as.
Can we find the hole?
Turn it back a bit so it's flat. Like, yeah, that way.
But then it's gonna wobble, but she'll be alright.
You reckon?
What I could do is if I can get it tight enough around here,
Yeah.
just get a bar in there and bring it round flat.
Oh yeah. Well, as I said, it's not going to fall out anyway.
No, exactly.
And voila, the finished product. But it looks good. And Josh's Impreza Ute-ish. By the way, if you haven't seen it, Josh had a pretty sick garage. This is his mum's Volvo V8 all-wheel drive. Obviously his Subi Impreza. All shiny. The hood's all done. This is his dad's Nissan Navara. Subi hasn't been started in a day and a half. It's just been sitting here in the garage. We wait for the paint to dry and everything. I just noticed there's like paint and everything over the lens. Cold start on 2008 Subaru Impreza. That's a look there. And now for a start up on the Volvo. Does sound extremely nice. Apparently it doesn't regularly pop, so you guys get an exclusive hookup with the Volvo. God, it's not like we have V8s on the channel very often, but that sounded really good. Anyway, that is going to end it for this video, guys. Smash the subscribe button, hit the like button if you enjoyed this video, and if you like V8s.
Just bang and smash everything, you know?
And leave a comment if you got any ideas for future vlogs. But have a great night, guys. Peace.